How would you like to save hundreds of dollars on all of your travel needs? Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you the $20 travel business, which is going to allow you for $20 to save hundreds on car rentals, travel like flights, cruises, hotels, all sorts of amazing essentials that you would need to purchase anyways. You can save tons of cash on for only $20. Now make sure before we get started, if you're watching this on YouTube, please smash that thumbs up button, as it will help me get this video out to as many people as possible and help everyone save with this amazing platform. Now, as you guys see here, we're in my back office, and what I'm going to be showing with you guys in this video is I'm going to show you guys the back office. I'm going to show you everything that you're going to get for the $20 membership fee, which is the gold member. As you guys see here, I am a gold member. Now, I haven't done too much promotion of this, but I've actually been able to generate over $90 from simply doing nothing. I wrote a few posts on social media, a couple friends joined, and that's about it. Now I'm making residual income with this, and my team's actually growing, and this income is growing every single day. Okay, so it's a very cool platform. If you guys are watching this on the Six Figure Marketers Club, there will be some more information below this, but all in all, it's a great business, and you can actually start for $1. You can get a $1 free trial of the $20 travel business. Okay, so once you guys actually get started, what you're going to see here is once you click the button below, you're going to get sent over to this page right here. It's going to give you some more information. There is a short 10-minute video where the owner and founder is going to go over everything that you're going to receive inside of this business. Now, as I stated before, you're going to save on hotels, condos, vacations, and you can even earn some pretty awesome commissions with this by simply sharing a offer that everybody needs. Okay, who doesn't want to save money when they're going to visit their family, or when they're going to, take a trip, or they're taking their family on a vacation? Whatever it might be, you're gonna need flights, you're gonna need hotels, so why not save money on these things? And by simply sharing it, you can also make some money as well. Now, as you guys see here, you can save some awesome money in this image right here. We have $250 savings, $178 of savings. I'm gonna actually load up the engine near the end of this video and do a quick search for you guys, so that you guys can see firsthand the savings that you could potentially be earning, or that you could potentially be saving when you're purchasing these travel packages. Okay, so there's tons and tons of different hotels here. There's over 4 million different hotels, and there's some condos as well, so you can actually go $220 per week. Okay, this is not per night, so it's an average of $33 per night. Okay, so you could rent out this entire condo for $229 a week. Okay, so that is pretty insane. These places are very, very nice. As you guys see here, there's tons and tons of different condos that you guys could be renting. Okay, so you can also get a dream vacation paid for. Okay, all you have to do is become a platinum member. That is the $100 level. You can either join at the $100 level, or you can be upgraded to the $100 level once you've actually earned $100 in commissions. Okay, so that is pretty cool. And once you get 12 active platinum members, or you're active platinum member for 12 months, you'll get a dream vacation of $3,000 in value. Okay, so as you guys see here, some images of these vacations that you could be going on. There's a video there if you guys want to check it out. But the amount of value that you're going to get inside of this is amazing. Okay, so here you go. There's a breakdown. If you get 50 platinum members in 90 days, what you'll actually get is you'll get $2,500 worth of fast start cash. You'll get $1,250 monthly residual commissions. Okay, you'll get a $3,000 5-star luxury vacation, airfare included of up to $1,000, $1,000 in fun cash Okay, so that's over $5,000 in prize value by simply signing up 50 members in 90 days, which is not very difficult. If we actually go over into my back office, we'll open up my organization. So as you guys see here, we have 33 members in my downline, and I've personally referred 5 members. And like I said, it's only been about a week or two since I've actually joined this, and I've maybe done 1 or 2 promotions. I've been busy setting up the website and getting things set up, but once I finish the website and everything like that, I will be, actively promoting this. But it is an amazing offer, and as you guys see, our team is growing very, very quickly. Now, one of the big things that I love about this business is there's no hype to it. There's no crazy income claims. There's nothing that you have to, go out there and try and pitch and close people. Okay, this is something that everybody needs. Everybody wants to save on things that they already need to purchase. Okay, if you could find a way to save money on gas, I guarantee you that you're going to be saving money on gas every single time. So why does, flights or hotels or anything like that be treated differently, okay? Everybody needs to save on these things. Everybody needs to do these things. So why not save money that you can then use on your actual vacation? Okay, so as an example here, what you're going to see is when you refer a platinum member for $100, you're going to earn a $50 commission. This is the 50% fast start, okay? So this is when somebody initially signs up. If you sign up a gold member, you're going to earn that $10 commission, okay? And when you sign up a trial member, you're going to actually earn 50 cents, okay? So those are the 3 levels inside of this business. There is no, $1,000 or $10,000 or $20,000 level. It is simply a $1, a $20, and a $100, and these are all monthly subscriptions, okay? With the $20 level, you will get access to the savings on all of your hotels and everything like that. You will get all your savings. The $100 level is for those people who are wanting to build their network, who are wanting to turn this into a passive income stream. Now, you're also going to get, starting the second month, you'll earn 25% commissions for each personal referral. Okay, so if you sign up a $100 platinum member, you're going to earn $50 right out of the gate, and then every month that they stay active, you're going to earn a $25 commission. Okay, same with the $20, you're going to earn a $10 commission right out of the gate, and then you're going to earn $5 commissions for the entire time that they stay active. Now, you're also going to be able to earn commissions on up to 10 levels below you, 5% on all 10 levels, okay? So you can go out there, you can start building your network. As you guys see here, I've got about 33 people in my downline. I was actually able to earn a $50 commission from somebody that I never even signed up, okay? I signed up a few people. A couple of these people went out, they signed up a member, and boom, I got a $50 commission, okay? So that's pretty awesome, and that is paid out monthly, okay? So your main goal is to just go out there, focus on sharing this with as many people as possible, focus on getting 2 people right out of the gate. Very, very simple business to sell. It's only $20, right? And you're going to be saving on tons of things that you would already need to purchase anyways, okay? So your gold member income can be upwards of $2,000, and then once you actually step into your platinum member, that's when you can actually get a $10,000 monthly income, okay? So with 1,000 platinum members, you're going to be at $5,000 monthly residual income, okay? So once you have, this is your level 10 actually. So this is just showing if 2 customers got 2 customers, okay? So if you went out there and got 2 members, personally signed up, right? They went out there, got 2 members. They went out there, got 2 members. You see how this grows, right? $50 residual, 20 here, 40 here. So this is per level, okay? So this is the maximum that you can earn per level of your monthly residual, okay? So with all of these levels included, you can earn upwards of $10,000 in monthly residual commissions. So that is pretty awesome. And if you guys want some more information, you can click the link below and scroll through. But now I just want to show you guys quickly before I end this video, we're going to actually go into the travel engine, okay? So I'm going to access the travel engine. Now, like I said, this is available for all $20 members, no matter what. Once you sign up to the $20 membership fee, you're going to be opted into this and you can start saving, okay? So I'm just going to pick one of these. Let's go Los Angeles. Okay, so as you guys see here, we have multiple all the way, 3-star reviews, 4-star reviews, 5-star reviews, right? And then you can see the savings, all right? So if we actually go down and we compare prices, all of these hotels are by law, or all these vendors are by law because they're public, right? They're by law to have somewhat similar of a price for all of these offers, okay? But because we're a private vendor, because we're a membership fee, right, you can actually claim all of these savings. So $2,100 on this hotel, $720 on this hotel, right? So this is a weekly average, okay? So we just put in here from the 8th to the 15th as a test, right? So this is an average, if we just go down here, of $130 per month or per night, an average of $700 per night, where it would have normally been about $1,000 per night, okay? So these are very good hotels, and you guys can go through. There's millions and millions of hotels that you can choose from. You can go through, you can book your flights, all sorts of things. Everything that you guys need is inside of this membership site, inside of this travel engine, okay? So you can go out there, you can purchase your travel packages, you can earn reward points if you're a platinum member, and you can start making some money by sharing this amazing platform, okay? So I hope you guys got some value from this video. If you did, please make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you guys are on the blog, make sure that you go and read below this and check out some more information on this website, okay? Right now, this is this website is in its baby stages. I'm creating all the content, I'm filming all the videos, I'm getting everything ready to publish to you guys. So stay tuned, make sure you keep coming back, as I'm going to be continuously adding more value and more content to this website, okay guys? So thank you for tuning into this video. I hope you guys got some value from this, and go ahead, click that button below, get set up with your $20 travel business, and I'll see you guys inside of the Facebook group, which you can join by either in the description if you're on YouTube, or you can just simply click on the Facebook icon over in the corner, and you can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter, okay guys? So thank you for tuning in. Dylan DeFazio here with the Six Figure Marketers Club, and I'll see you in the next video.